Yes, we're finally here! Happiness, here we come. Jollibee, Jollibee.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Magja-Jollibee!
Jollibee.
Ha?
Magja-Jollibee!
Saan?
Doon.
Gone!
It's 6:22 in the morning and we just started our long drive from PJ to Singapore on a Saturday for one thing, Jollibee.
We are going to Jollibee to quench our cravings for chicken joy and burger.
And palabok. May palabok pa doon? Meron.
Ay, meron?
Meron.
And
It's called noodles.
noodles.
The noodles. Filipino black noodles.
Yes. Yes.
With orange sauce jar.
The orange sauce is made of...
Orange.
No, why is it orange?
So we're just going to Singapore for Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Jollibee. Yes.
Jollibee.
Jollibee. Jollibee.
And long drive with good music and good people are
And-
therapy.
Char. Your choice. Your music.
We're refueling before heading to Singapore. This is our first stop, and some of my friends are in the toilet. We just buying food. So we're on our way, and look at this.
Sa kanyang pagbabalik, ang halitang mas mag-iinit.
Basta gumawa ka ng ganito, kakalat ka.
Take a rest with our driver. Just a little background for those who don't know. For us Filipinos, Jollibee has been engraved in our culture. So for us living in PJ, Malaysia, or everywhere in Malaysia, KL and PJ, we don't really have Jollibee here. So that's why when we crave for Jollibee, we go to Singapore just to eat Jollibee.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No.
Last stop then, Jollibee!
Jollibee.
Jollibee! It's Jollibee! I love you, Sabado!
Hold me down, feel alive.
All throughout the duration of the drive, all we could think of was what we're gonna order, what we're gonna eat in Jollibee when we reach. So upon arriving at the JB Customs, we were very excited to finally reach Singapore.
City lights looking fine.
Yes, we're finally here! Happiness, here we come. Jollibee, Jollibee.
So here we are after 6 hours of traveling from KL.
May dila talaga.
See you later.
When I'm out, so
And then it rained. It rained before we could reach Jollibee. But nothing is stopping us. We're going to Jollibee.
No, nothing can break me.
Anong kakainin mo ulit?
Jollibee Chicken Joy, Jollibee, ano yun? Jollibee Palabok, and Jollibee Kanin.
Ha? Kanin?
Kanin! Cheat day!
La, ikaw ano sa'yo?
Everything. Except with non-halal, but I want Chicken Joy, Chicken Joy, Chicken Joy, Chicken Joy!
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars.
According to Google Maps, there are 8 branches of Jollibee in Singapore. The one we went to was in Changi City Point near the airport.
Joy ng Chicken Joy, I love you Salvador, kanina rin linggo, hinay ka lang Jollibee, nandiyan na ako.
Now here comes the most awaited part.
Kain na!
So ano yung ano mo? Experience mo sa food?
5 star. Oh, 5 star pa rin?
Ano ba yung kinain mo?
Fries, 2-piece chicken. Chicken, ganun. Yan. A while ago, it was still yummy. Now
Now?
it's bony. And then 2 Sprite.
What happened to your keto diet?
Wait,
Yumber.
Yumburger. I can't find
What happened to your diet?
no diet. It's a cheat weekend.
Okay. 2 rice, right? 2 rice.
1 rice only.
1 and a half.
1 and 1/4.
1 and a half.
Okay, mommy, 1 and a half. And then water. That's it.
So how is it compared to Jollibee Philippines?
It's the same. But what's good about Jollibee here in Singapore is halal. So
Okay.
not all Jollibee in the Philippines are halal. So
But it's not complete, right?
it's
No
not
palabok.
complete. No palabok, no Jolly Hot Dog, no peach mango pie. I'm sorry, but
Oh my god.
no tuna pie, no buko pie.
No, what else? Sunday?
No, they have.
They have,
I don't like the Sunday.
What else?
That's it.
Would you recommend?
Definitely.
Well,
You will have a surprise later, right? You will dance?
Yes, the Jolly Twist.
Okay, later.
Yes.
Anong sabi mo sa kinain mo?
Superb.
ano bang kinain?
Ano pa kinain?
Ay, kanin. Chicken. Siyempre yung Coke, Keto Coke.
Okay, to.
Coke Zero.
Okay.
Yeah, yun lang. That's all.
Ano ba?
I have takeaway. Let's unbox. Ay,
Wow, ano?
Unbox.
aloha without the pineapple.
Bakit? Bakit ayaw mo na?
Because
Pineapple is not
uuwi
cute.
pa to ng KL.
Ah,
So
okay.
baka masira.
Ano?
Coleslaw,
Pineapple yan.
Hindi mo masira.
spaghetti, and Siyempre, it's chicken ulit.
Oh my God.
Spaghetti. Pag-iisipan ko kung bibigay ko sa aking hobby loves.
Or sa'yo na lang.
Pero pag-iisipan ko kung bibigay ko sa akin. Pero yung Aloha Burger sa kanya.
Ayan. Hindi, tinikman ko lang yung Tinikman ko lang po yung burger steak.
Joy. Kalahating chicken joy. Half rice.
Kalahating rice.
Kalahati.
Kalahati lang pala lahat kinain ko. Kalahating spaghetti, kalahating chicken.
But the taste, they're asking about the taste.
Buti pa tong juice. Buo.
Isasuggest, ano mo ba?
I'll definitely suggest Jollibee. But not here. Not Loyat. Ay, Loyat. Lucky Plaza. Kompleto doon. Dito walang hotdog. Walang peach mango pie. Walang peach mango pie. Meron.
Meron, dalawang.
So, yeah. Thank you. Bye. Okay na.
That was the answer of Miss Joanne Supan. Now, from Nini.
Wala akong masabi. Ako'y busog. Thank you. Yun lang.
Reached your destination.
Thank you.
After a quick visit of the Jewel at Changi Airport, we headed back to KL. So I am ending this story by making an appeal to Jollibee to please have a Jollibee branch here in Malaysia, particularly in Kuala Lumpur or PJ. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.